Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to delete photos from Google Photos permanently. This is very easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, you have to open your Google Photos app. After that, here you have to select any photo you want to download. For example, I download this photo. For example, now to download this photo you have to click on right bottom delete icon. Here you can see you have to click on this delete icon at the right bottom. When you click on this delete icon, now here you have to click on this move to trash. After that, now here you can see this photo has been deleted from my Google Photos. Now how to delete this photo permanently? To delete this photo permanently, you have to click on this library icon at the bottom. After that, here you can see option. Now here you can see option trash. You have to click on this. Now here you can see this photo. Click on this and here you have to click on this left bottom. Now here you have to click on this delete icon at the left bottom. Now here you can see you have to click on this delete permanently. Now here you can see this photo has been deleted permanently. In this way you can delete your photos permanently from Google Photos. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.